In this video I'm going to show you how to find trending filters for your Instagram Reels. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram, then tap on that plus icon to create a new reel, and then tap on that star icon above the record button to open that pop-up menu where we can find any filters for our reels. I can tap on trending tab to see all the filters that are currently trending and popular. I can just tap on filter to see how it looks like. Scroll down to find more filters, and if I like some, I can tap on that ribbon icon right here, and then for example, let me add some filters here. Then I can just tap on the another ribbon icon here to show me just favorites filters for my Instagram Reels. And also I can tap on the search icon here to search for specific filter that I need. I will type in some filter name to get all the filters that contains this keyword. And also I can tap here to watch how it looks like and to use this filter in my reel. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.